everyone, please welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you my Maserati, and I'm going to replace the headlight bulb. It's very easy and a simple DIY, and without wasting in time, let's get started. In order to work on the lights, it's all under the fender wall. First step will be the jacking up the car and removing the wheel. And now the next step is to remove the fender wall. This is the fender wall, and the fender wall is secured by 3 screws at the bottom, which is this plate that holds the fender wall right here, with a big washer and the screw right on top. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. And then there are 2 push pins like this. One is right in the middle and one is right here. So once we remove all the screws, this is how the fender wall comes out. And we're going to keep it on side. First we're going to loosen the lug nut, then we're going to place the jack. I'll do the same thing with all of these. So this is the last one. So once we remove it, now we're going to take out the wheel. Now we're going to remove many screws. Screws here, then we're going to remove this screw on this side, then some on this side, then we're going to remove these, the push pin on the top as well. So we're going to work around. After removing all those screws and push pins, now the wheel well come out from this side and it's dropped down, and now we're going to pull it out. This is the cap. Clamp on this side, one clamp on this side. You push this clamp on this side and you push it, that opens from this end. Once you open the clamp from this end, once it's removed, this will drop down and then you pull it out. This is the box. This is the HID bulb and it says open and close. In order to open, we're going to turn it. As it opens, you pull it out. The bulb will come out. And this is the connector, you pull it out. This is the original bulb, we took it out. So in order to remove it, you press it and twist it and it comes out. The new HID bulb. This is the original. In order to put it in, this is really important when you put it in. These are the cutouts will go in here. Once you put it in like this, as you see, these cutouts fit right in the socket, and this is the way the bulb fits in right here. And now this is the top, open, close. These 4 tabs into these holes. These are the 2 notches. That's gonna go right in there automatically. It will be aligned. So once you do it, just like this, you press it that way, then you twist it like this, and it closes it. And this is the connector, and we're going to put it in, press it, and that's it. That's how simple and easy to change it. That's a beautiful HID, and it's a more bluish light. Initially it was a lighter, and this is the one I like it better. And if this video helped you out, please like, share and subscribe my channel. For more Maserati videos, please visit my channel. And in case if you want to get this bulb, I'll list the phone number under my description. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.